Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a brief comparison of HoneyBook and Intuit QuickBooks. So first up, you can access HoneyBook and Intuit QuickBooks by simply typing them in your browser, whether that's on your mobile or your computer. Now here you can see the landing page for both software, and we're going to start comparing them under 6 different factors. So first up is purpose, next is key features, and what it's best for, the pricing, ease of use, and integration. So starting with purpose, HoneyBook is primarily a client management and project management tool for small businesses and freelancers. It basically focuses on streamlining workflows, proposals, contracts, and communication. Now for QuickBooks, it is a robust accounting and financial management software. Do take note of the keywords accounting and financial management. So this software is designed to handle bookkeeping, invoicing, payroll, taxes, and financial reporting in specific. Now, when it comes to key features, you have a quick glance here of what both software offers. So the left side is HoneyBook and the right side is Intuit QuickBooks. So for HoneyBook, it mainly focuses on client onboarding, which includes proposals, contracts, invoices, scheduling and task management, automated workflows, time tracking and payment processing, integrations with tools like Zoom and Calendly. Now for QuickBooks, you have detailed bookkeeping and accounting, expense tracking and receipt management, financial reporting and tax preparation, payroll management, and integration with banks and third-party apps. Now, what exactly is HoneyBook best for? So, HoneyBook is best for creative professionals, which includes photographers, designers, event planners, and the like, or businesses focused on managing clients and projects. As for Intuit QuickBooks, this is best for businesses needing detailed accounting and financial management across industries. Now let's try to go to their pricing section. Let's try to go ahead with free trial. Or actually, it's not posted right here, so here we go, pricing. There, and then we should be able to see the pricing section of Intuit right here. So for HoneyBook, usually they start at around $12 per month, which is of course for limited features. But right now they've updated their prices actually. So we're starting with $16, and then that's for starter pack, and then for essentials you have $32, and premium you have $66. So these are the inclusions per plan. You also have the monthly plan right here, which is a bit more expensive, but for the yearly plan, you will get to save a bit more. Now for QuickBooks, you can see here, you have the simple start at $5.70 per month, and then the essentials at $8.40 per month. Let's go over to the right side. Plus is at $12 per month, and advanced for $22.80, as well as their inclusions indicated right there. So as you can see, there's a major difference in the pricing, mainly because Intuit QuickBooks focuses more on the accounting aspect, while HoneyBook has a lot more features to offer. But then again, they cater to two separate things, as we've discussed a while ago. So when it comes to integration, HoneyBook focuses on tools for communication, scheduling, and payments, while QuickBooks offers broader integrations with banks, payment gateways, tax software, and e-commerce platforms. So in summary, it'd be best to choose HoneyBook if you prioritize client management, contracts, and project workflows. Now, you would choose QuickBooks if you need detailed accounting, bookkeeping, and financial reporting for your business. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.